In today's video, I am going to teach you how to log in Hootsuite. Logging in is usually quick, but it helps to go step by step so you can get to your dashboard without any confusion. First, go to hootsuite.com. When the page loads, take a moment to confirm you are on the official Hootsuite site. This is important because you want to make sure you are using the correct login page with the right sign-in options and security features. Once you are confident you are on the correct site, you are ready for the next part. Next, enter your email address. On the login screen, you will see a field intended for your email. Click into that box and type your email carefully. If you have multiple accounts, be sure you are using the same email that you normally use for Hootsuite. After you have entered the email address, pause briefly to check that it is spelled correctly, since small typing mistakes can prevent you from signing in. Now, enter your password. Right after the email field, there will be another input area for your password. Type your password into that field. Because passwords are case-sensitive, make sure the capitalization is correct. If there is an option to show the password, you can use it to confirm what you entered, but only if you feel comfortable doing so. After the password is filled in, you are ready to actually sign in. Then click Sign In. Look for the button that says Sign In, and click it once. This tells Hootsuite to verify your credentials and take you to your account. Depending on your browser settings and your account security, it may take a moment to load the next page. If the site asks for additional verification, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-in process. This ensures your account stays secure. Or, in my case, you can sign in with a Google account. If you see an option that says something like Sign in with Google, you can choose that instead of typing an email and password manually. This method connects to Google to make the sign-in flow simpler. When you select that option, a Google sign-in page will open. Follow the prompts there to confirm your identity. After you complete that process, control will return to Hootsuite and you should be brought into your workspace. Once you are signed in, you should see your Hootsuite dashboard or your main account area. Take a quick moment to confirm that you are in the right account and that the menus and workspace elements load as expected. If anything looks unusual or does not load, it can help to refresh the page or check your internet connection, but the sign-in steps themselves are the main requirement. That is the full process for logging into Hootsuite, whether you use email and password or sign in with your Google account. And that covers everything you need to know.